All right. I'm back like I never left. What's up, buds? Welcome to Wanna Buy It. My name is Rodney. Now, if you're not subscribed to the channel yet, hit the subscribe button down below so you can become one of the buds. You'll be notified when I post new videos. So today we have the Kazoo cordless 3-in-1 iron. It's a portable iron that you can take with you. It also will charge your phone, and it also can get lint off of stuff. So I can't wait to test this out. You guys wanted me to do stuff other than, just the audio speakers reviews. You guys wanted me to mix this in when we did a vote for this. So we're gonna start off with this. I think this is pretty cool. This product right now by Kazoo is going through Indiegogo, that little phase right now, and they're already at the end of it. In May, they're gonna start shipping these out, I believe, when I seen on their Indiegogo website. I'll put the link down in the description below for that so you guys can check it out and see where everything is at right now. All right, so right now, on the Indiegogo, their price is going to be $115 for this, like the flat original price once it gets out of Indiegogo. But right now you can fund them and you can get the super early bird special, and you can get this for 69 bucks. And then I think the early bird special is 79 bucks. So if you go there and basically pre-order it through Indiegogo, that's how the price you can get it for. But once they're done with that, the regular prices are going to be $115 from what I've seen on their website. So like I said, I put the links down there so you guys can go cop it if you like what you see in this video. But I can't wait to test this out. Let's try it out. We're going to iron some shirts, get a wrinkly shirt, put over here to see how that works, get some linted up. I got some jeans. No, these are sweats. I got some linted up sweats, man. We're going to see, man, we're going to test this out. Let's see what it do. So everything that comes in the box, you get a USB Type-C charger for your little portable iron. You also get a little cloth right here. I'm guessing this is for something like if you're ironing like some silks or something, I don't know. You can put it on top of that, put it on top of your clothes and then iron. Then you get a traveling bag for the iron as well. And then you got a little brush to clean your iron. So this is everything it comes with. And oh, I can't forget, you get a little spray bottle too. And I know this is for the iron, get it all fresh and clean. You're gonna put some water in there, right there. Then you put it in here. Boom, you got your spray, and you can start ironing. So we'll test that out too. So let me give you guys a little close-up look of what it looks like. So that's your little Kazoo 3-in-1 portable. Now where my bottom hand is, this is where you're gonna iron at. So down here it's gonna get really hot, so be careful with that. I think it says it takes about 50 seconds to heat up and then you can start using. So we're gonna have to see how long that takes and try that out. Then you got your buttons right here. There's two different modes. The first mode with the iron, that first mode is for like your lighter clothes, basically, your cottons and all that, your polyesters and all that. And then the second mode is for like your heavier clothes and your thicker clothes. And then right here, you have your lint button, and this is where you extract the lint off of your clothes with that one. And then you have your battery life back here, and it'll light up when you press it, letting you know how much battery life you got left on there. And back here, you have your charging port, and you can get at least 2 charges off of this. So with your phone, you can charge it up fully twice from what they said on the Indiegogo site. So you can get 2 charges off of this portable charger as well. So your iron's on this side, but like I said, the lint roller's on this side. You'll just pull the cap off, and then there you go. This is where you get the lint off at. Now we're just gonna turn it on, and we're gonna wait and see. Now you got your beeping light, it's on. And also, it lets you know what mode your iron is on when you press it. All right, so now we're gonna test the USB out. We're gonna turn it on. Then we're gonna plug it up. And then we're gonna short press it again, just press the button. And there we go, we're charging, good to go. All right, next we're gonna test out the lint roller. I kinda said these things are stuck on there. We're gonna see how good it works to try to get the lint off of her pants. So, or her sweats, let's test it out, let's see. Oh, you got some blades inside of there too. It's working pretty good. So this is the area I linted. I don't know if you guys can see it, but it worked pretty good. Let's try to get all this. Make sure your lint catcher is closed. And twist it and make sure it's closed. I didn't twist it because it's loose if you don't do it. There we go. Now that being said, if you do this is how you clean it off. And you just dump it in the trash, and that's when the brush comes in handy. So your little brush, just brush it up, get all in there, and get it nice and clean. Another thing, make sure that your top, because this twists as well, make sure it's in there good because you have blades inside of here, as you guys can see right there. Is this angle fine for them? Yeah, so the blades are really nothing to play with, so make sure that you twist this on really good. All right, so these are Iconic's little lint sweats that were hard. She said those have been on there for a while, but as you can see down there, this is where I did the area at. So it worked really good to get that really hard lint off of her sweat. So this thing works good. 2 thumbs up. All right, so now we're gonna test out the iron. We're just gonna turn it on, and then we're gonna take the lid off. And this is your lid. Make sure you take that off. And then we're gonna let it, we'll let it, there you go. You can see there it's blinking. We're gonna put on mode 1 for the lighter materials, and we're gonna let it charge, warm up for about 50 seconds. All right, so we got it all warmed up, ready to go. I'm gonna get a little spray on here, a little water, and we're just gonna go. We'll just start ironing this shirt. Now, of course, because it's small, you're gonna have to do a lot more work to get a shirt done. I think this would be good for people that are traveling. Just if you're hopping off a plane and you're just like, man, this jacket is wrinkled as heck. Like, I need to iron it before this big meeting, this interview or whatever. At least you can get a little bit of those wrinkles out. So it's moving really smooth and easy. Of course, because it's so small, I have to pull my shirt a little bit so I can get through everything, but yeah, it's doing its job. And I have it on the light setting. Like I said, there's 2 different modes. There's one for thinner materials and fabrics, and the second mode is for, you know, the thicker stuff like jackets and all that. But yeah, there you go. It's looking iron, looking good. A lot more work, like I said, because it's smaller, but still. But yeah, like you can't bring a whole big old iron with you. I don't know if they'll let you bring this little thing, but I don't know. But this would be something nice for a carry-on, especially for a business type person or people that are always traveling for meetings. All right, bud, so there you have it. That was the Kazoo 3-in-1 portable iron. I just wanted to show you guys this. They reached out to me and I thought it was a cool idea. I wanted to test it out. You got your little charging brick, you got your portable charger, then you have the lint remover, which worked really good as you've seen, and then also you got your portable iron. So I thought it was a really neat idea. I seen on Indiegogo when they reached out to me. I was like, oh, this looks cool. We gotta have it on the channel. If you guys want to check out this product, I'll leave the link down in the description below so you guys can check out their Indiegogo. They will start shipping these out in May, and like I said, the price once the funding and all that is done, the regular price is $115. But if you go to their Indiegogo, it's 70 bucks and 80 bucks for the early bird specials. So you guys can check that out if you want to get your hands on this product. But yeah, so there you go, buds. I know you guys wanted something other than the audio tech and the speakers and stuff. So I was hyped when they reached out to me. I like the product. I like the idea of it. And I've been reaching out to other companies as well on Indiegogo and Kickstarter, looking for some cool, like, different tech that we can have on here. So if you guys like this video, please leave a like, a comment, and subscribe. And to all my subscribers now, thank you so much for subscribing. I really do appreciate it. I'll see all of you in the next video. Everyone be safe out there. My name is Rodney, and this was Wanna Buy It. Peace.